everyone, welcome back to Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today we're going to make some broccoli soup. So I have my ingredients. I have broccoli, I have chopped up garlic, and I have chicken stock. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the garlic into the pot. And then I have just added in a little bit of chicken stock. And I'm just going to keep giving that a stir around just for a few minutes to let the garlic soften and brown. Then we're just going to come back and add in the broccoli. Now that the garlic has started to brown, I'm going to add in the rest of the chicken stock and also the broccoli. I'm going to give that a stir around. And then I'm going to add in boiling water. Now, so I've added the water in, enough for it to kind of just cover up to the top of the broccoli. And then I'm just going to put the lid on and leave this to boil for approximately 30 minutes. So now I'm checking after 30 minutes of boiling. You can see that the broccoli has started to break up. It's really soft. So now it is ready to blend. But first I'm just going to add in a little drop of milk for it to make it a little bit creamy. And just give it another stir around. Now let's blend. So I'm just going to use the hand blender. Now we're finished blending, and you can see the soup is now nice and thick. So it's ready for to serve now. So just for to add the final touches, I'm going to add in a little bit of black pepper. Remember, subscribe below. And there we have our broccoli soup ready. Perfect soup for a cold day. Thanks for watching, everyone.